Hi there. Today I'm interested in doing a Qt tutorial. I mean, not a Qt tutorial, but the way we can change any code, fix any issues in our Qt code. So, Google Earth Enterprise, Earth Enterprise SRC, that's what most of the code is. That's where the most of the code is. And then all the UI code for Fusion is in Fusion UI. So Fusion UI, then now let's say what do you want to change? Maybe let's change some of the behavior of how imagery dialogue is. Okay, so let's say now I have here acquisition time or date. Now, if I want to rename it to, let's say, acquisition history, how do I do it? So, in Fusion UI, you can say, I am, you can either do grep and see what you are looking for, like kind of get the clue from the UI, the existing UI where you want to make a change. And these are all basic tutorials. So if you want to add a brand new UI, you can start from scratch and these things won't matter much. But to get your hands dirty, let's say I want to make a change in one of these ones. So this acquisition date. Where did that come from? Anyway, so maybe it's not here. So let's see. We say this is spelling of ACQ. Okay, that's why. ACQ acquisition. And now I have more results. So let's go in Fusion UI again and clear these results and do my search. And there is some raster asset widget. No, I don't want that. Okay, here. Raster asset widget base UI. So this UI I believe is used for terrain and raster both. I mean terrain and imagery both. And the thing that we want to change is acquisition here. So just to make sure that's the correct one that I'm changing. So yeah, there is a year, uh, text label year, then month, then text label month, day. I think these are properties, values, and labels. So let's go and change this. So let's say history or yeah, history. So I save it and then I go back and I don't have to do that. I have a very nice script which would do it for me, which would actually run the build and install it. So let me close this manually. No, I don't want to change anything here. Um, Clear again and build and install. So if you haven't seen the script in my earlier tutorial, this is just Fusion stop, server stop. For this, I don't have to stop the server, but I anyways run this one. Then build and stage, build and stage and install. And this is my setting for install directory. You can have your own install directory, whatever you would like. So then I run that I run this. It's running. While it's running, we are going to probably wait. And I think the fusion is still on. So I'll just close it. And probably I'll close this client too. We don't need it from it's from earlier demo, but just to make this faster. So if see if it you don't have to reinstall. If you don't want to reinstall, there is update script that you can use. It's an SRC update bin, and you can change the time on it. You can go over it later, or shoot me questions if you have any. So now it's build and deploy and ready to verify. Just go Asset Explorer, new image. Now we have acquisition history in here. So you know now the summary of the tutorial is the UI code for Fusion Qt. Don't get scared. It's in Fusion UI, SRC Fusion UI, and you can pretty much refer the existing UI to find where you want to make a change. And the nomenclature would be something like for raster, vector asset, raster asset, and then base UI. So everything has a base implementation, and then each specific kind of object has its own UI file to change. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to stop now. Bye for now. Yeah, and feel free to read the notes at the bottom of this video if it helps you. I would be glad to ramp you up. Thanks.